we are still discussing about the method of elimination, and this is going to be our last lesson in the practicing on this method. So what I want you to do is, I'm not going to discuss much about this. In the previous lesson, where I explained more to note when you are using this method. So continue practicing. So I'm going to have one or two examples which I'm going to use on how to find the method. So as you can see, I'm still using the same examples in the previous lesson. I'm still using the same examples. Decide which letter to remove, add or subtract. So it's still the same. There is no change. But what we want now to do is, as you can see, this is the same examples which I used in the previous lesson. But what we want you to do is to remember the steps and practice. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you another exercise again, whereby you're going to practice using the method of elimination. So this is an exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 1, which is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So from this exercise, they say solve the following simultaneous equations using the method of elimination. So in this exercise, you decide which letter do you want to eliminate, which letter. So you can see here you can eliminate x, here you can eliminate y, here you can eliminate y, here you can eliminate y. Right. So this is how to eliminate. So when you decide to eliminate, for instance here, if you want to eliminate x, which means what are you going to do here? Are you going to add or subtract so that you get a 0? Obviously you subtract. But when you're subtracting, so it means here you're going to a 0, but here it's minus 4y minus the subtraction which you have said, minus again 7y, but 7y carries a negative. So here it will be minus 4y, minus and minus gives us a plus. So your answer is going to be 3y here. Then 9 minus 19, you continue like that. Here if you decide to say you're going to add or subtract, it means you want to get a 0 where there is y. So what are you going to do here? Are you going to subtract or add? Here definitely you subtract. So same to number 3 and number 4. So what I want you to do is answer these questions, follow the steps. Once you follow the steps, I know you get the concept. Thank you very much.